Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Edikang Ikong Soup with kale and spinach. This soup is absolutely delicious and it still tasted great even without ugu and water leaf. So the first thing to do is to boil your proteins and make them soft. I have beef, Ponmo, stockfish, Panla fish and pepper. So I'm mixing in the pepper and the seasoning cubes and salt. Please season to your taste. It's your soup, you know how you want it seasoned. So I mix it in and I'm going to cover it for now for the seasoning to get into the proteins before I add any water in. So after like 10 minutes, I open it up, mix it again, then I add some more water so that the proteins can become soft. You want your proteins to be soft and tender. As the beef is done cooking, make sure that your broth is cooked down so that your soup does not have too much water in it. I go in with my crayfish powder, pepper, smoked catfish and palm oil. I mix everything in and I cover again for it to boil down more because I don't want the water to be too much in the vegetable. After a few minutes of cooking down, I then go in with my spinach first. Spinach first, then kale later, because you want the spinach to steam up and release its own juices into the soup. This soup turned out absolutely delicious. I was worried because I did not have real Nigerian water leaf and ugu, but it turned out great and everything was smooth. Let me know how you think I did in the comments, and if you're new here, thank you for stepping in. I really appreciate your support, and let me know how you feel about this soup in the comments. If you've tried it before and how it went, or if you'll be trying out this recipe. If there's anything you want me to change, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate your feedback. So now I'm going in with the kale. I'm using kale because that's what I have available, and you have to cut your vegetables into a very small size. It's not big chunks of vegetable, no, you cut it into tiny pieces, very chopped. You can use your food processor if you have one, or you just use your normal knife to cut it. And then I add more palm oil to top it off. I don't cover for too long because it's vegetables, but kale is a little bit hard, so I just covered for a little while, and in like 5 minutes it was ready and the soup is ready. This is the final product. I just let it simmer for a little bit more and the soup is ready. Taste for seasoning, make sure everything is balanced, and you're good to go. I served this with some eba, some yellow gari eba, and that was it. Tasted delicious, and even my kids enjoyed it and we're coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think and if you'll be trying this out. And if this is the way you make yours, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear back from you guys. Thank you so much and I appreciate you.